Well, it's me, Pikelari. I want to say thank you to the volunteers who have been supporting me, and especially Robert, who taught me how to play guitar. And I really want to say thank you very much, and I'll never I'll never drop you down, because I know the talent you have showed me is now within my heart. So now it's with me now. So it's something which I can't throw away. So now being a musician is nice. I like playing guitar. Now I can play piano. So and thank you very much. Thank you to everyone, to the volunteers who have been here before and try and teach me some stuff and experience and stuff with me. So I really want to say thank you very much. Thank you.